Good morning, it's me. Hi there, it's me, gorgeous Disgrace, and I'm back. And I really wanted to play with my new products from modelsOWN. I'm also going to be using the lashes today as well. So I was like, I can film this. Plus I have to do my makeup this morning. That's a nice mirror. So PM Kit Nighttime Eyes and Cheek Palette, all-in-one palette that parties hard. PM Kit Nighttime Eyes and Cheek Palette. Hit the dance floor with this all-in-one and face palette. Used to highlight eyes and cheeks for a look that stands out from the crowd. Direction: use the eyeshadow brush for applying eyeshadow. Someone took them, or I don't know, over the eyes. Use the blusher brush for applying powder to the cheeks. Okay. These colors have names? No. So, well, here's what the front looks like. PM Kit, modelsOWN. PM Kit, Nighttime Eyes and Cheek Palette, PMK01. What it looks like on the back. Designed and developed in the UK. modelsOWN, it.com. Okay. Don't really, because I'm going to work, so kind of need like a, I kind of just need like a basic look. Don't really need to go all out. I don't really want to go all out because this palette like allows for that. Kind of really want to just stay in a subdued look because I'm going to work. I'm just going to swatch this one. Ooh, that's a really nice color. From what I'm feeling, they're feeling pigmented and very buttery. Like they're feeling smooth, they're feeling nice. Okay, I really want to go into this blue, but I really also want to stay in like my natural looking looks. So I'm just gonna put this darker blue, like I'm gonna put the second color, this one right here, just near the end of my crease, at the beginning, because, you know, I love doing the halo eye. There's not really a highlighter in this palette. I'm gonna go into the blush. Oh, I didn't swatch that. Whoa, that is really pigmented. Like, damn. There's even fallout on the... I'm just using it to kind of like soften the whole look. This is meant for like a morning look. Well, I mean a nighttime look. I'm doing my makeup like at 6 in the morning before work because I work at 8. Ooh, I can also use my sponge. I didn't use it yesterday. I kind of just like put water on it. I wanted to see how it works. And just going into my e.l.f. concealer. And these eyeshadows are looking real nice. For my eye, just gonna go into my Wet n Wild highlighter for my eye. I love a pop-in highlight, just right in the middle of the eye. Because we don't have a highlighter shade in this palette, so our highlighting. That's why I went into something different to highlight. Yeah, I'm really liking how this is looking. Just gonna grab a powder and put a matte highlight under my brow. This is sort of like a get ready with me and a first impressions. Get ready with me, also first impressions. my eyes are done. This palette definitely gets a yes, but it gets points taken off because there's no highlighter shade. That's about it. Because these colors are fun, like this little light brown, this transition color, these blues are beautiful. Next, I'm gonna try out the modelsOWN Hipstick Sheen lipstick. I don't know where I put the packaging, but here's the lid, modelsOWN. This comes out. Is it a lip balm like e.l.f.? I think I have a brush small enough to get in that. It's in the shade range 14, made in Taiwan. Bittersweet. It's such a classic looking lipstick. Like, it just looks so classic. See the lipstick? It's a nice color. It's not going to dry down matte because it's not a liquid lipstick. And next I'm just going to do my mascara. Get those lashes nice and together. Got the mascara on. I brought my lash glue over here. There we go. Okay. So next, let's go into the Ardell Double Up. Double up. Double up your life. Okay, these lashes look hot. They're in the shade. Always when you're taking your lashes off, that looks fierce. Made in Indonesia. I'm just gonna use the back of my modelsOWN thing just to put the lash glue on. What I always do and what works for me is I just take up the end of a brush, grab my lash, and then I wait 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. I have it on. Okay. Yeah, I'm loving that. I feel like lashes just bring the whole look together. They're on, but there's a big gap there. Like Madonna's teeth. Oh my god, it's not... Okay, actually this side has a light gap in the... There's still a little gap in between. But they're on. You can literally see it. Like, this one is not as bad from far away, but because I'm so close. Like, see? Like, all the lash brands say it's like... Okay, but they feel nice. They feel like actual hair and not like papery. I almost got a lash and it felt like paper. Damn, I feel beautiful. As done, laces, dude. Thank you for coming to my first impressions of the modelsOWN makeup line, the PM kit, and the Hipstick Sheen lipstick, and the lashes by Ardell. Yes, thanks for coming. If you enjoyed the video, please leave me a like. A comment would be great. And of course, subscribe for more future videos. Yes, I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Mwah.